We were in Acadiana with this system today.
Right. With all the tornadoes yesterday in Texas, we thought we'd see a few here in locally close to Acadiana, but we were quite fortunate. But unfortunately, the dew points that we didn't have here in Acadiana, lower 70s, were existing in southeast Louisiana. We actually had a supercell thunderstorm that produced the tornado. Actually, there were two. This one right here across Lake Pontchartrain didn't do a whole lot of damage, but was reported as a tornado. But this one right here, that's where you have your hook echo right there, and that's what produced what looks to me at least an EF2, possibly an EF3 tornado. EF2 goes up to 135-mile-per-hour winds, and this one, based on the preliminary nighttime damage shots, probably closer to EF3, but we'll wait for the Weather Service to evaluate that tomorrow. So a couple of tornadoes, the same tornado reported in New Orleans East and then on the other side of Lake Pontchartrain, and was certainly busier just about all around us here in Acadiana, just some gusty winds. We'll talk more about that tornado and what weather we saw here locally coming up in the main weathercast. The good news is we're back to smooth sailing weather-wise with fair skies returning and temperatures cooling off tonight into the 40s. Then for tomorrow, nice warm-up into the mid to upper 60s, but still below normal. It's going to be a breezy day, but we'll be sun-drenched tomorrow, and we have a very favorable forecast as we move forward. Again, though, coming up, we'll talk a lot more about the 10-day forecast, plus the latest on that severe weather that surrounded all of us and what we saw here locally in Acadiana coming up in a few short minutes.